Okay, friends, I'm out here for Paseo Nocturno. It is a night walk. They close down one of the biggest streets in the city, and people bike and rollerblade and walk down the big street. There's people coming behind me. It's a good time. But I'm in the intersection now of a cross street, so I gotta move a little fast. Alright, we think we spotted a DJ out on the side of the street, so we're gonna go try to find the DJ, and we think there may be people breakdancing, but we're not sure about that. I'll let you know. Alright, we're about to get tacos at Taqueria Los Cocuyos. We are here. Tacos are looking very, very good. What time is it, Adelia?
8:45.
It's 8:45, so it's past all our bedtimes.
We've probably been in line
No.
for what, 20 minutes? I'm at nighttime. Y'all be up way too early.
Ivana said no, it's not past her bedtime.
No.
Mia is out here. We're all out here trying to get some food, so we'll see. This place serves brains, head, cheek, eyes, some part of the ear, intestine, tongue.
Whatever you want, they got it. Whatever part.
They got all the parts. Oh, I don't think we're going creative though tonight.
I'll get a cheek taco. I don't like things that can taste me bad.
Okay, so she's gonna do a cheek taco. I am not. What about you?
Suadero and longaniza.
So I'm doing the same thing you are. Alright. So like flank and legs are what we're doing. We're not doing
And sausage.
and sausage. We're not doing eyes and the scraps of everything. Or lips. There's a lip taco here.
Longaniza, suadero, tripa y campechano. Buenas noches.
Solo? Longaniza y suadero?
Dos para ellos, dos para mí. Una para uno.
Un longaniza, un suadero, un longaniza, un suadero.
Dos platos iguales.
Sí, gracias.
Tres
¿Tres?
iguales.
Sí.
Longaniza y suadero.
Sí, gracias.
Tres platos iguales.
Sí.
¿Les pongo cebolla y cilantro?
No.
Para ti naturales.
Con todo.
Con todo. Con todo.
Gracias.